How to fix waiting for this message problem on Facebook Messenger. So let's go. So first go to setting and click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now scroll down and find Facebook Messenger. Click on Messenger. Now first clear data. And click on force stop. Tap on OK. Now enable all permissions and go back and go to Play Store and update your Messenger. After updating, the problem will be fixed easily. Thanks for watching.